Welcome back to the sawmill. It's Saturday, February the 9th, and more of this crazy Tennessee weather. I put a video up last week. I'm in short sleeves out here sawing and it's 70 degrees. And here we are back today and it's back down in the 30s. Crazy weather we're having here this year. But no rain this weekend, so I'll take that any day. And what we got lined up here this morning is yet again more nice crotch walnut. Unique log here though, because I have no idea how long I've had this log or how long it's been on the ground. And I don't even know where it came from. Most of the time I've got a decent memory on where these logs come from. And I post them on Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that. And I can usually go back and reference and see where it came from, where I've done a video on it. But this one right here predates me even doing videos. I've been doing videos for about 3 years now, just over 3 years. And there's nothing on film showing this log. I went back and watched some of the log videos where we harvested them and moved them. But I have no idea where this come from. No idea. We'll bring the camera in, do a few measurements here and get to sawing. Alright, so here's a better look. This is the operator end of the log facing me. You can see the nice crotch here. Got a hole right here going in. Might have some rot here in the sapwood. That's normal. With any kind of log, your sapwood's going to rot first. Maybe spalted, I don't know. Our width on the crotch is about 22 inches, about 24 at the widest point. So should be able to fit this through the cut throat of the Wood-Mizer without having to trim off these sides. We'll see about that. And down here on the small end, the diameter looks like about 16 inches. And I think this is 8 feet long. Let me check it again to make sure. I was wrong, 7.5 feet. That's an odd length for a log here. They're usually 8.5. I don't know why this one's 7.5, but then again, I don't know where it even came from. And as you guys can see by the look of it, looks horrible. Most people would throw this thing in the burn pile. It will not make it to the beds of a sawmill. about 24 at the widest point. So should be able to fit this through the cut throat of the Wood-Mizer without having to trim off these sides. We'll see about that. Alright guys, feels pretty solid. Here comes slab number 1 off that log. Here's the first side of this slab. This is the outside of the tree. Probably won't have much figure in here. You can kind of see where the crotch is forming here at the top, but still nice and solid. I didn't know how that was going to turn out, so that's good. We got a nice solid slab here. The wood's a little punky in here. When I say it's punky, it's kind of rotted a little right there in that sap line on both sides. The scraper can kind of dig into it a little. But since this is the outside slab, the inside should be fine, and once we get deeper, it should be good to go. Based on what you guys have seen on this channel over the past few years, you can already tell there's some nice figure in here, even before the dust is cleaned off. Nice and solid. Looky there. That's what we's after right there, hiding in the middle. Hard to beat, guys. Hard to beat. Well, this one reminds me of the log we done a few days ago on that forgotten log video. I'm telling you, it seems like these logs that lay on the ground longer, they don't spot, but the figure just gets better. And maybe that's just me, but it sure does seem like that. My goodness, look at that. Look how pretty that is in there. My goodness. Some good sawing right here today too, guys. I thought that blade was about done, but I pushed it kind of hard. And no washboards going on today. Nice smooth surface here on these slabs. And as always, I'm sawing these slabs at 9/4, 2 1/4 inches thick, and our widest point is right at about 22 inches. Down here in the crotch area, we're about 17 1/2.